Guys, we're about to get food. I took a nap till like 6:30 p.m.
Yeah, no wonder you're not tired.
So I'm hype and ready to take on the day.
So
Let's go.
What should we get for food?
Guys, let us know in the comments down below. Because we'll see you. We'll probably take those answers into consideration. Oh. You sound like the news reporter from Roblox. Insert clip.
Your vlog is crazy.
It's so beautiful. I think it'll be fine. It's like light flurries. Caleb!
Following the snares.
It's always one step forward and three steps back.
Oh! I just ate it.
Ain't it fun? It's giving Bambi learning how to ice skate.
Bambi didn't know how to
She?
Bambi's a they, them confirmed. I'm rolling with the LGBT.
Caleb, I don't know if Caleb, this is literally not the crosswalk. Maybe by the sign that says this is where the crosswalk is. Over there. I'm gonna zoom in. What'd I do?
What did I do?
What'd I do?
What did I do?
What'd I do? Caleb!
Dance every time. Once it goes down, I'm gonna come up here.
Do it again. Sticky!
Hey, wait. Sticky situation, discombobulation. Guys, didn't I sound like Lil Wayne?
Yes.
Well, yes.
Uncanny. Do like a demonstration.
This is the America that Donald wants.
Oh my god, why would you do that? Caleb, you got it all in the car, bro. It's not funny. I'm not sitting there. Guys, I'm not having a good time.
Okay, I'm actually really nervous to drive in this.
Joe, you're gonna do so good.
My car can't handle the snow well.
Neither can mine.
In between your thighs.
What?
Guys, this
That is the path to paradise.
The creator. QB, we're stuck in a snowstorm in our car.
Stuck is a little bit of an exaggeration.
Kim has to go pee.
It's a horrible angle.
Hi, mama.
It's really bright.
I don't know. But your eyes are popping. Oh, so pretty.
The makeup probably looks like crusty.
God. Oh, God. No, not to him.
No.
Open up.
You broke it.
No. Wait, okay, ready? Ready? Wait, ready?
Bruh.
Oh my god! That looks like it hurt.
Caleb, why would you do that?
Bro was frolicking in the snow.
Are you okay?
Look at his imprint. Caleb left his mark.
Say hi. Say hi.
You better go, dude. Dude.
You're gonna fall again.
We're not gonna, we can't.
It's right there.
Caleb, you can do it then. Get hit by a train.
No, don't tell him that. I'm literally clutching onto him so he doesn't run.
My big meaty arms.
Gross.
We actually could have, I fear.
I think we still can. Those things aren't going off.
What was that?
Everything you want to say to the vlog?
We could have made it.
Everybody
Oh,
wait
no.
to the train conductor.
Oh no!
What?
Look at him.
Say hi.
I think we can get like jump in between the crates. I think that if we jump in between here, we can get on the other side, like over there. Thinking out loud here.
The guy with the shovel.
It is a shovel. It's a shovel. It's a shovel.
Bye, vlog.
Shovel.
Whoa.